to LucilleBatiste. My name is Lauren. My friends call me Lo. Today I'm bringing you guys a perm rod set, and I'm doing an updated perm rod set, and I'm using Mielle organic, so I have freshly washed, deep conditioned hair. So today for this perm rod set, and I'm going to use the Babassu Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Cream, the Mongongo Oil Thermal and Heat Protectant Spray. I also got the Mongongo Oil setting spray as well. Cream or peach colored perm rods and orange perm rod. And I've already like sectioned my hair off. I've already put my leave-in conditioner in. It just made it easy just to keep it elongated by putting it in the twist. And my hair smells so good right now. It smells so minty and so good and so bomb. I also have my dimming brush just to make sure the style is very smooth. I'm just gonna add this thermal heat protectant, and it looks almost like a cream. It's like a creamy looking heat protectant. So I'm gonna spray this on my hair. And it has like a fine mist to it and a lightweight scent. I'm just adding, I'm not gonna add a whole bunch of Brazilian curl cream. I just wanted to add something just to make sure I have like some good moisture behind my curls. Smelling the Babassu oil scent is very like tropical, citrusy, lightweight scent. And then I'm going to follow with this style setting spray. I think that's one of the keys to working with perm rods is sectioning off your hair into smaller sections just to make it easier to work with. I might do it like this. It might be easier to do it like this one. I'm just wrapping it around the roller. That might be better for me to do than trying to roll it up, because I think I just knocked out a whole bunch of possible frizz by doing it this way. So I'm taking the perm rod and I'm wrapping my hair around the perm rod and making sure that the end is really smooth onto the roller, onto the perm rod. And I'm just using my fingers just to ensure that smoothness. And then I secure it down. It's gonna take it forever for my hair and how dense and thick it is to just air dry. So I definitely am gonna sit under the dryer at least for an hour or two.
Just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Since we don't do this often, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since we're cooling, is it an option? Due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. 'Cause I got the plug, I made the call for green. Oh, I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you know? No, just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. Hello, stranger, fame's been waiting, and just as I recall that I still amazing. I'm playing, baby, I'm saying, baby, love this shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and put the drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Oh, get to taking that off of me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the plug, I made the call for green. Oh. time on